क्वेश्चन 1850 1850 Which schedule of the Constitution of India deal with the provision as to disqualification on the ground of defection? 10th. In which case Article 323A 2D and Article 323B 3D were declared unconstitutional to the extent they exclude the jurisdiction of High Court and the Supreme Court under Article 226 and 32 of Constitution of India. Answer: L. Chandra Kumar versus Union of India 1997. Financial emergency under Article 360 of Constitution once imposed after the approval of both the houses. Parliament with the period of 2 months shall remain valid for a period of Answer: till it is revoked by the President. Which case is popularly known as cash for question case? Raja Rampal versus Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha 2007. The operative part of Article 310A 310(1) of Constitution of India is accept an expression provided by the Constitution. The doctrine of occupied field was applied by the Supreme Court in the case of A.B. Krishna versus State of Karnataka 1998, under which article of Constitution a commission to investigate the condition of backward classes can appointed by President of India. Answer: Article 340. Under Article 355 of Constitution, it shall be the duty of Union to protect every state against Answer: external aggression and internal disturbance. Which one of the following statement is correct? Only those laws which have been put into 9th schedule after 24th April 1973 can be challenged on the ground of violation of structure. Which article of Constitution of India deal with suitability of Union of India? Suitability of Union of India. Answer: Article 300. The language to be used by Supreme Court and in the High Court for Act, Bills, etc. in the legislation shall be English. The function of Inter-State Council does not include adjudicated dispute pertaining to interstate river. In India, Panchayati Raj was introduced for the first time in 1992. Which one of the following article of Constitution of India accord special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Article 370. 11th schedule of Constitution of India contain? Answer. Power and authority and responsibility empowered to panchayat by state legislature. Constitution safeguard to civil servant have been given in article. Constitutional safeguard to civil servant has been given in Article 311. The 8th schedule of Constitution of India contain a list of 22 languages recognized by Constitution of India, by which constitutional amendment part 9A of the Constitution of India has been inserted. Answer. The Constitution 74th Amendment Act 1992. Which decision of Supreme Court has dealt with right of prisoner to speedy trial and legal aid? Husna Ada Khatun versus Home Secretary, State of Bihar. Under which article of Constitution of India official language of Union shall be Hindi? Article 343. The basic structure cannot be challenged. This principle of law is related to Criminal Procedure Code. The 9th schedule of Constitution of India is related to the law. Answer. Which cannot be judicially reviewed by the court and are protected from judiciary scrutiny. 8th schedule of Constitution of India provides for official languages. Which amendment act of Constitution reduces the voting right from 21 to 18 years? Answer. 61st Amendment Act 1989. In which one of the following case Supreme Court struck down that legislator cannot be disqualified on his conviction in the criminal case if he file an appeal in the appropriate court? Answer. Lily Thomas versus Union of India. No person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. This right has been given by Constitution under Article 300A. Answer. The provision of finance bill is provided under which article of the Constitution of India? (117). The 11th schedule of Constitution of India is concerned with Answer. Power and functions of Panchayati Raj institutions. Which one of the following is not an all India service? Indian Foreign Service. Article 343 of Constitution of India declared Hindi as the official language of the Union. Which one of the following is not a money bill? Answer. A bill providing for the imposition of fines and other pecuniary penalties. Which one is a money bill? A bill only containing provision dealing with the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, and regulation of any tax is a money bill. A bill only containing provision dealing with the custody of the consolidated fund or contingency fund is a money bill. A bill only containing the provision dealing with appropriation of money out of the consolidated fund of India is a money bill. Which article of constitution make common law applicable in India? Answer. Article 372. The corruption charge against civil servant and central government as proved by the answer. Central Vigilance Commission. Point out the incorrect pair. Article 83 qualification for membership of parliament is incorrect. Article 137 Supreme Court power of review. Article 256 power of union to issue direction. Article 307 removal and suspension of member of Public Service Commission. B, C, D are right. A is incorrect pair. A major portion of the Constitution of India is derived from Government of India Act 1935. Which schedule of Constitution make special provision for administration and control of scheduled area and scheduled tribes? Fifth schedule. Which one of the following is not a constitutional body? Planning Commission. Under the Constitution of India, right to property is a constitutional right. In which schedule Constitution of India the three lists are mentioned? Answer. 7. S.R. Bommai versus Union of India is related to President rule in state under Article 356. The Sarkaria Commission was set up to define central state relations. Match the following. Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Prospective overruling. Olga Telish versus Bombay Municipal Corporation. Right to livelihood. TMA Pi Foundation versus State of Karnataka. Minority Educational Institution. Kesav Madhav Menon versus State of Bombay. Doctrine of Eclipse. Match the following. Chief Election Commissioner appointed by the President. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha elected by the Rajya Sabha. Speaker of the Lok Sabha elected by the member of Lok Sabha. Chairman of Public Account Committee appointed by Speaker of Lok Sabha. Consider the following statement. Under Article 343D, not less than 1/3 of the total number of seats in the Panchayat to be filled directly by election shall be reserved for women. This 1/3 reservation for women shall include women from SC and ST. It is addition to separate reservation of 1/3 seat women belonging to SC ST. Which statement above the following two is correct? Both 1 and 2 are correct. Article 343D may not less than one-third seat of total number of seat in panchayat to be filled directly election and shall be reserved by women. कितना सीट रिजर्व कर रहा है? 1/3 फॉर द women and 1/3 रिजर्वेशन ऑफ women किससे होगा? Include SC ST and addition and separate seat for reservation of 1/3 women belonging to SC ST. Judicial review. Kesavanand Bharati versus State of Kerala. Free and fair election. Minerva Miles versus Union of India. Balance between Part 3 and Part 4. Indira Gandhi versus Raj Naren. Secularism. SR Bomai versus Union of India. Prior to 42nd Amendment of Constitution, in which one of the following case Supreme Court had observed that secularism is a basic feature of Constitution. Two and 3. Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Raj Naren. M.H. Qureshi versus State of Bihar. Which one of the following statement is correct? In TMA Pai Foundation versus State of Karnataka, only question versus State of Andhra Pradesh was partially overruled. Consider the following statement. The doctrine of prospective overruling propounded by Supreme Court in Golaknath case held that decision will have only prospective operation and was inserted to save answer 1 and 3. 4th Amendment Act and 17th Amendment Act. Golaknath case 4th Amendment and 17th Amendment. Prospective overruling. Match. Article 61. Procedure for impeachment of the President. Article 71. Matter relating to the election of President or Vice President. Article 27. Appointment of ad hoc judges in the Supreme Court. Article 215. High Court or Court of Record. Match. SR Chaudhary's case. Non-member cannot be reappointed as a minister if he failed to get elected after 6 months. Murli Devra case. Ban on smoking at public place. Associates for Democratic Reforms cause. Electors have fundamental right to know antecedent of contesting candidate. PUCL case. Right to food is a fundamental right under Article 21. Which one of the following set contain a feature which is not a basic feature of Constitution of India? C is not a basic feature. Rule of law, republicanism, secularism, independence of judiciary, parliamentary democracy, federal polity, parliamentary democracy, secularism, egalitarianism. These are basic structure. C is wrong.